With this zero-clearance adjustable base, get the personalized comfort of an adjustable bed without sacrificing your existing platform frame. Once it quickly arrives to your doorstep, assembly is easy. No tools required. The wireless remote lets you control head and feet elevation with relaxing preset positions, or just customize one of your own. With its built-in USB charging ports, dual massage capability, and quiet motor, this adjustable base provides customized comfort that fits your life. Lounge, rest, sleep.